Hello, my dear beloved viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have to give the integration of some special type of functions like root of a square minus a square, square root of a square plus x square, and square root of x square minus a square. So let us start one by one. So first one, these are special problems regarding integrals. Integral of a square minus x square under root. These are the special problems in integration. Also, you have to remember these formulas also. Okay? Here you see, to evaluate this one, let us consider first of all given integral as I, root of a square minus x square dx. So remember one thing, whenever in integral only single function log x or sin inverse x or cos inverse x or sin inverse x, tan inverse x, cosecant inverse x, what it may be. Also this type of functions, root of a square minus x square or a square plus x square or x square minus a square. Consider second function as unity 1. So here you have to write root of a square minus x square into 1 dx. Remember, always you should consider 1 as the second function. Remember, okay? Now, here clearly this is f of x and this is g of x. Here f of x is equal square root of a square minus x square. Okay. So for the function always you should find derivative. So root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Also here a square derivative 0 minus x square derivative minus 2x. Minus x square derivative minus 2x. So 2 get cancelled. So finally what you have to obtain? Minus x by square root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square. Next, second function g of x is equal to 1. For the second function always you have to evaluate integral. So integral of 1 is equal to x. So first function derivative, integral of second function. Okay. Now here is the formula, integral f of x into g of x dx is equal first function f of x into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function and integral value of second function. Okay. Now therefore I is equal here f of x and g of x. Okay, dx. So f of x means root of a square minus x square into g of x means x. Okay. Next, minus integral value is x. Okay. Next, derivative of this one. What is the derivative of this one? Minus x by root of a square minus x square. Okay. Into integral value. What is the integral value? X. Okay. Dx. Now you see x into root of a square minus x square. If you observe keenly, here a square derivative 0 minus x square derivative. Here you see, here x into x square is there, minus x square. Already minus x square is there. Here also minus x square is there. So what you have to do? Adding a square and adding and subtract by a square only. So first of all, I should rewrite. First of all, I have to rewrite minus x square by root of a square minus x square dx. Okay. So with the help of denominator, we have to rewrite that numerator as, you see, in the denominator under root a square minus x square is there. Already minus x square is there. So what you have to do? Simply plus a square minus a square. Plus a square minus a square. Okay. So here x into root of a square minus x square minus integral. So a square minus x square. Already minus x square is there. Here only a square. At the same time minus a square. Adding and subtract. Okay. By root of a square minus x square. Okay. Dx. Okay. Okay. Now if you separate these two, what we will get? Here this is a square minus x square by root of. Okay. Now I have to erase this one. Okay. Here I is equal x into root of a square minus x square minus integral, separate these two, a square minus x square by root of a square minus x square dx. Okay. Okay. Again minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, integral a square by root of a square minus x square dx. Okay. Now here x into root of a square minus x square minus, here suppose p by root p. What will get? Root p into root p. Okay. So here root p get cancelled. What will get? Root p. P by root p means root p. In the same way, this becomes square root of a square minus x square dx plus a square as constant. So consider as common factor. Okay. A square minus x square dx. Okay. A square minus x square dx. So this is nothing but I. So x into root of a square minus x square minus I. Here you see a square into, this is nothing but sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Okay. So I plus I. Okay. Is equal x into root of a square minus x square plus a square into sin inverse x by a. Okay. So this gives us 2i. So here x into root of a square minus x square, same thing. No change. The last 4 steps there is no change. Sin inverse x by a. So finally I is equal, divide with 2, what happened? X by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Therefore, to remember these three formulas without having any confusion, this you can rewrite as a square by 2. First you should write constant term a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, sin inverse x by a plus x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Okay, plus c. So you have to remember this formula. In this formula, the last term should be same. Whatever the integrand, that should be the same one, root of a square minus x square. Okay, here is the formula. Therefore, remember integral root of a square minus x square dx. Already in denominator is there only sin inverse x by a, but whereas here numerator root of a square minus x square. So formula is a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus c. Okay, this is the formula for root of a square minus x square dx is equal a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Okay, this is the special one. Next, second problem in the special problems. Second problem, root of a square plus x square under root of a square plus x square, a square plus x square, a square plus x square. Same. Second one, integral a square plus x square, a square plus x square dx, or x square plus a square, no change. Okay, since addition is commute, so same thing, no problem. 1 plus 2 gives 2 plus 1. A square plus x square is nothing but x square plus a square, both are the same. So same solution. Let I is equal square root of a square plus x square dx. So to evaluate this type of functions, what you have to consider? You have to consider the second function as unity, that is 1. So here a square plus x square under root into 1 dx. Same here f of x is equal root of a square plus x square. Now derivative of this one f dash x, root x derivative 1 by 2 root x, root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Again under this function a square is there, a square derivative 0, x square derivative 2x. Okay, here 2 to get cancelled. So finally x by root of a square plus x square. The derivative of root of a square plus x square is nothing but x by root of a square plus x square. Have it clear? Next, here you see g of x. G of x is equal, second function considered as 1. So integral of, always you should remember, for the second function you should find integral value, whereas for the first function you should consider differential coefficient, that is derivative. So derivative of this one is over. Now integral of 1 dx is equal to x. Okay. Next. Now what is the by parts formula, product formula? Integral f of x g of x dx is equal. So first function into integral of second function minus integral of first function derivative into second function integral. Second function integral. Okay. So this is f of x and this is g of x. So formula is f of x into same I is equal to f of x. F of x means a square plus x square. A square plus x square into integral value x. Okay. Minus derivative of this one. What you have to obtain? X by square root of x by square root of a square plus x square. This is the derivative of this one. Okay, f dash x. Next, integral value. What is the integral value? X. Okay. So here x into x square. So x into root of a square plus x square minus x into x square by root of a square plus x square dx. Okay. Same with the help of denominator we can rewrite the numerator as, you see, here a square plus x square. Here only plus x square is there. Here a square plus x square on denominator under root. Here only in numerator x square is there. What you have to do? Plus a square minus a square. Same thing in the previous one also. So next step, x into root of a square plus x square minus integral a square plus x square minus a square. Here what you have to do? For x square, just adding and subtract by a square. Okay. Under root a square plus x square. Okay. Whole dx. Okay. Okay. Now I have to separate these two. Okay. Next. So I is equal x into root of a square plus x square minus, now separate these two, a square plus x square by root of a square plus x square dx. Okay. Minus minus plus. Okay. A square by root of a square plus x square dx. So p by root p means root p, or x by root x means root x, y by root y means root y. So in the same way here you have to obtain x into root of a square plus x square minus integral. Here this becomes simply, if you put inside the bracket, a by root means root a. So s by root s means root s. So in the same way you have to obtain root of a square plus x square dx. Okay. Here a square is common. 1 by a square plus x square and 1. Here a square is constant. So that should be come out from the integral. Okay. So therefore I is equal x by x into root of a square plus x square. Next, this is nothing but minus I. Here a square into under root 1 by root of a square plus x square is nothing but sin h inverse x by a. Sin h inverse x by a. Sin h inverse x by a. Okay. So I plus I gives us x into root of a square plus x square plus a square into sin h inverse x by a. So I plus I gives us 2i is equal x into root of a square plus x square plus a square into sin h inverse x by a. Sin h inverse x by a. Sin h inverse x by a. Therefore, I is equal here divided with 2. X by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse x by a. Okay, x by a plus c. Okay, so final conclusion, you have to remember the formula like this. Therefore, integral root of a square plus x square dx. Root of a square plus x square dx is equal a square by 2 into sin h inverse x by a plus x by 2. That should be increasing order. Here a square constant term, degree 0. Next one. So that's why a square and next x square. Okay. Into root of a square plus x square plus c. So this is the formula for under root of integral value of root of a square plus x square. A square plus x square dx. Okay. Same one. No change in this one. In the previous one, a square minus x square, same thing, but here sin inverse x by a. Whenever a square minus x square means same formula, a square by 2 sin inverse. Whenever plus means sin h inverse, minus means sin inverse. No change, same one. X by 2 root of a square minus x square. Or whenever plus is there means here sin h inverse and plus. Only these are the two changes only. Simple. Okay. Whenever minus means just you have to put sin inverse and minus. Whenever plus means sin h inverse and plus. So there is no change in the remaining one. Okay. Okay. Next. Third one. Integral square root of x square minus a square. Integral square root of x square minus a square. So this is also the crucial one. So carefully you have to follow. Question number 3, special one. Integral root of a square minus x square minus a square dx. Okay. So here you see solution. Let I is equal integral s square minus a square dx. X square minus a square dx. To evaluate such type of integrals, what you have to do? Consider the first function as unity, that is 1. Okay. So here integral square root of x square minus a square into 1 dx. Second function as 1. Okay. Here f of x is equal root of x square minus a square. Okay. So derivative of this one, f dash x. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Again x square derivative 2x. So finally we got x by root of a square minus x square. X by root of x square minus a square. Next, second function g of x is equal to 1. For this one, integral value. What is the integral value for this one? Integral of 1 dx is equal to x. Integral of 1 dx is equal to x. Therefore, product of formula f of x g of x dx. Integral f of x g of x dx is equal. So first function into f of x into second function integral minus integral of first function into second function integral total with respect to x. Okay. This is the formula for by parts. To evaluate product of two functions means always you have to consider f of x and g of x, two different functions. Here this is f of x and this is g of x. For the first function you have to find derivative. For the second function you have to find integral value. So first into second integral minus first derivative into second. Okay. Here you see I is equal first one f of x. F of x means square root of x square minus a square into second function integral x minus integral of first function derivative. What is the derivative of this one? So x by root of x square minus a square dx. Okay. First function derivative. Next into second function integral x and d. Okay. X. Okay. Now multiply these two, x into x square. So finally x into root of x square minus a square. So x into x square by x square minus a square under root. Okay, dx. So here if you observe same one, here x square term is there. Here after x square, what is that term? Along with x square, minus a square is there. So what you have to do? Minus a square plus a square. Adding and subtract by a square. Okay. So x into root of a square minus x square minus a square minus here x square minus a square plus a square plus a square. Okay. Here root of x square minus a square. Okay. Dx. Okay. Same. First one, second one, this is also third one. Same method. With the help of denominator, we have to subtract or adding. So just subtract and adding. Add and subtract with a square only. Okay. Now I have to separate these two. Integral. Here to see I is equal x into root of x square minus a square. Here minus separate these two, x square minus a square by root of x square minus a square, x square minus a square dx. Next minus integral a square by root of x square minus a square dx. Okay. So you see here x into root of x square minus a square. Here if you simplify this one, what you will get? Integral. Here suppose here x term is there, suppose root x. What you will get? Root x. Okay. So x by root x means x root x. So x by root x means root x. So here root of x square minus a square dx. Okay. Here you see minus into plus minus. So minus a square into 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. Okay. So I is equal x into root of x square minus a square. This is nothing but minus I minus a square, and this integral value is nothing but cos h inverse x by a. 1 by root of x square minus a square is nothing but cos h inverse x by a. Whenever plus means sin h inverse x by a. A square minus x square means sin inverse x by a. Only these three are different. That's all. Method is the same one. So I plus I is equal to x into square root of x square minus a square into cos h inverse x by a. Okay, so 2i is equal x into root of x square minus a square into the three problems. Last three steps should be the same one, no change. You have to write same steps. Okay, so finally what you have to obtain, you see I is equal x by 2 root of x square minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse x by a plus. So to remember easily, you have to write this term as first one. So without having any confusion when it takes negative sign or positive sign. That's why I have to write the formula for this one as root of x square minus a square dx is equal minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus x by 2 under root x square minus a square plus c. Okay, so this is the third formula. Okay, in the three special problems, process is the same, method is the same, only formula is different. Okay, so to remember this one, once again I have to write these three once again. Okay, now you see, so first one integral a square minus x square dx. Okay, second one integral a square plus x square dx. Okay, dx. Okay, third one integral x square minus a square dx. Okay, here first one same, a square by 2, here minus is there, so sin inverse x by a. Here same one, a square by 2, here a square plus x square, so sin h inverse x by a. Okay, here x square minus a square, so minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a. Okay, so for the remaining same, here x by 2 into root of same one. What is the function? That should be the same one, x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus x square. Here also same one, x by 2 into, here what is the function? A square plus x square plus c. Here also same one, x by 2 root of, what is the function here? X square minus a square plus c. Easily you can remember. For the first half, according to the standard one, whenever under root a square minus x square means sin inverse x by a square plus x square means sin h inverse x by a, x square minus a square under root means cos h inverse x by a. Same, but in these two, both are positive. Here, this is negative. Just you have to remember this first half. In the second half, each and everything should be the same. X by 2. What is the function? A square minus x square. Write down. Root of a square minus x square. Second one, x by 2 under root a square plus x square. And third one, x by 2 under root of x square minus a square. Same. So, you have to just sum of two terms here. Okay? Okay? Don't forget this one. So, previously, what I have to remember this one? Previously, what I have to given 1 by under root. Here under root Here only numerator. Okay, under denominator. So this is nothing but sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Here 1 by a square plus x square. 1 by a square plus x square means sin x inverse x by a. So 1 by x square minus a square. X square minus a square means simply cos h inverse x by a. Cos h inverse x by a. Cos h inverse x by a. Here root under numerator, square root and denominator. Both the functions are same. A square minus x square, a square plus x square minus a square. So under denominator, sin inverse x by a, sin h inverse x by a, cos h inverse x by a. Whereas in numerator, these are the two sum of two terms. Okay. The first one a square by 2 root of a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus x by 2 root of a square minus x square. Here also a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus x by 2 root of a square plus x square. Here minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus x by 2 root of x square minus a square. So don't confuse about these three. Okay. So these three are very important. Okay. So if you like this video, please give me one like. And also, till now, if anyone may not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon. Also, if you think it is very much useful for the others, please share this video to your friends, well-wishers and neighbors. And also, give me your heartful comments in the comment box. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.